Hi foodies, here's how I devein shrimp. So the shrimp did say, deveined on the label, right? But they only did the top. So on the underside, I'm going to use a toothpick to make a slit. Now you want to make one very sharp slit. If not, the vein will break when you're taking it out. If the vein breaks, that's fine. Just use the toothpick and take out the bits and pieces. And if not, you can use your finger. So just pull it up and pull that out. Perfectly fine. You are good to go. Just go back in there. If there's another tiny bit, clean that out. Now the other way is if you are comfortable using a knife to devein a lot of shrimp back to back. All right. So same shrimp. The top is done, but the underside has a vein. We're going to go in with a sharp paring knife and make a slit. One sharp slit. That's it. Use the tip of the knife. Pull that up and you are good to go. That is it. Perfect. If there's a tiny bit left and it bothers you, just go back in with the tip of the knife and take it out. That's it. You're good. All right. So perfectly clean shrimp. All right. And before you go, check out some of the shrimp recipes that are on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.